I've had a bit of a lazy start to the morning, had my coffee. I'm going to head out for a walk, go and see the sky. Well, that was a cold walk down to the stables. Gonna give Sky a quick muck out and then walk back to the car. That was a nice walk back to the car. Tide's almost fully in now. Some crazy people swimming in the water. It's only just above freezing. Bonkers. Gonna go and pick Lynn up. We need to do a bit of shopping. And then we're gonna go back down to the stables later. That's tonight's dinner all sorted. Chicken curry. Look forward to that later. Today's project on Cameron's ST. New water pump, which is down there. Not a lot of room, is there, mate?
No.
Just watching you struggle doing that, hey Ness? Nice to see you doing a bit. Hope you're not locking that stable door, Heather. You idiot.
Come on, dude, you can keep moving that. Come on, Nigel.
Well, that's another weekend nearly over. I'm going to go and have a soak in the bath. But first, got to iron my work clothes for tomorrow. I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. And we'll see you all very soon.